Good day everyone, I am from Group 8 and I'll discuss today about Rutherford's model. So Ernest Rutherford's model, proposed in 1911, describes the atomic structure. Rutherford's model of the atom is often referred to as the nuclear model because it introduced the concept of a dense, positively charged nucleus at the center of the atom. So here's a detailed description of the model. Here are the key features of Rutherford's model. First, nucleus. At the core of the atom is a tiny, dense, positively charged nucleus. The nucleus contains most of the atom's mass, which is due to protons. Second, electrons. Electrons are negatively charged particles that revolve around the nucleus in circular paths. These electrons balance the positive charge of the nucleus, making the atom electrically neutral. Third, mostly empty space. The atom is mostly empty space, allowing alpha particles in Rutherford's experiment to pass through the gold foil without deflection. Fourth, size comparison. The nucleus is extremely small compared to the overall size of the atom. If the atom were the size of a stadium, the nucleus would be like a tiny marble at its center. Fifth, dynamic nature. The model suggests that atoms are static but have electrons constantly in motion around the nucleus. So now, let's proceed to its model description. So planetary model electrons orbit the nucleus like planets around the sun. Concentric orbits electrons occupy specific energy levels of shells. Nuclear atom nucleus contains most of the atom's mass. So, the visualization of Rutherford's model. Imagine a solar system. The nucleus is like the sun at the center. So the electrons are like planets orbiting the sun. Most of the atom's volume is empty space, just like the space between planets in the solar system. So about the diagram, to illustrate more, kindly please look at the picture at the PowerPoint. So a small circle at the center represents the nucleus with plus to indicate positive charge. Larger concentric circles around the nucleus depict the orbits of electrons. And that would be all. Thank you for watching.